Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Paul and let's get cooking. Hey guys, welcome back. Good to see you again. Today we're making a beautiful chicken fried rice. I love chicken fried rice. However, being clean and lean week, we are going to substitute the rice and we're going to make cauliflower rice instead. Let me tell you, I love rice any time of the day, anywhere, but once in a while it's good to get the substitute. Cauliflower makes a great substitute. You just have to do a couple things to it, and let me tell you, you will not regret it. Again, we're in clean and lean week with You Fit Singapore, trying to bring you some recipes that you can have every day that are delicious, substantial, and good for you. So sit back, let me show you how we do this. that was fun, guys. The cauliflower is still crunchy because the fact that we put it in the oven for a bit to get the water out and we cooked it at the very end quickly. It's still got the crunchiness, but it's got the beautiful burnt flavors of the wok, if you know what I mean. It is a little bit spicy. It is just absolutely fantastic. The chicken is tender. I love this. Clean and lean is not a bad idea, let me tell you that. You should give this a try. Great lunch, great dinner. You can pack it, take it to work, take it to school, whatever you like. Go ahead and give this a try, guys. Once again, YouFit Singapore, great fitness institution here in Singapore, providing incredible service. Click them underneath to find out a bit more about it. Guys, if you like this video, post, go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe underneath and ring that bell so that way when I post, you'll be the first one to get it. Guys, once again, thank you for the comment and feedback. Thank you all new subscribers, and we'll see you again next week. Stay clean, stay lean.